Hey guys, it's Javier with Brush Plus Roller Painting, and if you guys want to learn how to refinish a kitchen island adding shiplap, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're starting a new kitchen island, new project, and the cool part about this one is we already started the demo. We removed the trim and baseboard, and we're gonna shiplap it out all the way. So I got my first board cut out. I'm pretty excited because we just got this new Milwaukee nail brad nailer. So what we're gonna basically do is we're gonna wrap this whole island basically to the corner in 7 1/4 shiplap, and then we're gonna run some corner beads on here, place the baseboard back on there, and place the trim back on there. So look at it, so new I don't even know how to turn it on. So the cool thing, or not the cool thing, but a quick tip for you guys, so you don't have to do that much puttying. Always place your brad nails in this little lip, because when you place the other one in, it's going to cover that hole for you guys. Alright, so we're going to continue building it up, and we'll show you what that looks like in a few. Alright guys, so we're in the middle of the process now. I think it's turning out really good, and I just kind of wanted to give you an update on what we're looking like. So we're gonna, I already got these, measured out, cut out, and that covers this little exposed corner here. But then again, I'm gonna wrap it just like the other corner over there. So again, I mean, it's really simple, and this actually turned out pretty good. So always start at the bottom with a full piece, nail in between that little gap, so you don't have to do that much mudding. Put your next one in, and then in the next one I'll put a little hole in between, just so it can have a little bit better gap. And by the way, I am loving the Milwaukee brad nailer. Yeah. So we'll just continue this piece all the way up. And it gave us just enough to where this end here. Now go ahead and cut out those corner beads. Alright guys, so we got these. Let's go inside. These are really cool because they come right to the top and give it a really nice finished look. Maybe thinking about this exposed top at the part, we're gonna have a little piece of trim that goes all the way around. So alright guys, so update on the kitchen island with the shiplap. We had a little change of plans, so what we ended up doing, instead of reinstalling the baseboard and the shoe mold and that piece of trim that goes to the top, we got rid of all that, and instead of shoe mold, we're doing this lattice general purpose trim. It actually turned out real good. So I'm going to install this last little piece that we need, and then we'll do a little quick walk around. It's actually the first time we installed this lattice piece as a shoe mold, so it came out really nice. Alright, let's do the walk around, guys. Alright, so we got the shiplap installed and it really came out nice on this end. We framed out this opening right here. Everything is caulked, everything is puttied. We're getting ready to prime here in a few. And it really turned out nice. The color that is going to be painted is going to be Benjamin Moore Cheating Hearts. It's almost like a really dark gray, so it turned out really good. So yeah, we're just finishing out these last little details. I'm gonna finish caulking this little seam right here, and then this is gonna really turn out nice because we framed this out, and once we install the door and drawer back on, it sits there flush with this. So we'll show you what that looks like once it's all said and done. Alright guys, so we're all done with the kitchen island, and the shiplap really turned out really great on here. You guys can check out the before and after pictures. The color was Benjamin Moore's Cheating Hearts.